In this video I'm going to show you my Visio schematics. Now as an installer, every year there's new receivers with additional inputs, control multiple zones, various things like that. So we have to create schematics for every single new device that comes to the market, and this is where my schematics are quite handy. They allow you to quickly change one of your existing schematics to something else. So here I am with a device, it's a Control4 EA5, and I'm going to show you how we can quickly change it to become a Sonos play bar. So I've just unlocked it, now I'm going to rename it. I'm going to delete some of the inputs and outputs that we don't need. You can see that it automatically resizes. I'm going to move the Ethernet in up, and I just use my up arrow for that. I'm going to create my Ethernet out, and we need an optical in, and I'll just going to make this a bit smaller again, and there we are. So now what I'll do is I'll just lock it, and then I'll drag it onto my stencils, save it as a Sonos play bar, and then I could reuse it in future projects. So I hope that explains how these stencils work, and you'll find that they're a lot quicker to use than other stencils. Now while we're at it, I'll show you a drawing, a very basic drawing that I've just done, and I have some items called line ends. Now I'll show you what line ends are. So if you look at these lines, you'll see that there is a arrow on the end, and that is just using this feature up here under line options, and you have line ends. Now what I've actually created is some line ends that look like RCA leads. Now I'll show you how we apply those. So you go into your shapes and you find the line ends that I'd supply you. Okay, you just need to drop these onto the page anywhere, and then we can delete them out. Okay, so that just adds them to the document stencil, and from there on you can now go into line ends, and they should be there. So if we go down to RCAs, you can see that we have RCAs. I'll choose these two, make them coaxes. Now you can see that they've obscured some of the text, so I just need to move my text over. Sorry, I'll redo that. Okay, move my text over, do the same thing here. Okay, I also have line ends for a speaker, so if I go up to my line ends, actually I don't want it at the beginning, I want it at the end. Okay, and there you are. I don't know if you'd use it on every project, but you may want to show what these look like, and it's just a handy little inbuilt feature that I've created. Alright, thank you.